In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search for a user or creator on character.ai. If you're trying to find a specific person, creator, or profile on character.ai, the process is very simple once you know where to look. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to do it clearly and quickly so you can find the right profile without any confusion. To begin, open Google Chrome on your device. Once Chrome is open, go to the character.ai website by entering character.ai into the address bar. Wait for the page to fully load so all of the search and profile features appear properly. If you're not already signed in, the layout may look a little different, but the general search process is still easy to follow. When you're on the Character AI homepage, look at the top of the page for the search bar. This is the main tool you'll use to find users, creators, and sometimes related content on the platform. Click directly into that search bar so you can start typing. Next, type the username or creator name you're looking for. Try to enter the name as accurately as possible, especially if it contains special spelling, spacing, or punctuation. A precise search usually gives you better results and makes it easier to identify the correct profile. If the person you're searching for has a common name, you may see several similar results, so take a moment to read them carefully. After you type the name, Character AI will display matching search results. Look through the results until you see the user profile card that matches the creator or username you want. The profile card typically gives you enough information to help confirm you found the right person, so don't rush this part if multiple names look similar. Once you find the correct result, click on that user profile card. This will open their profile page where you can view more information and explore the characters or content associated with that creator. And that's it. That's how to search for a user or creator on Character AI using Chrome. It's a quick process, but being careful with the name you enter can save time and help you avoid opening the wrong profile. If you're following